Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic 2 Pro at 6 months. Now we see the bigger picture. Part 2 coming up. In part 1, we took a look at my ownership of the DJI Mavic 2 Pro during the first 6 months, and I put a series of clips together regarding that. What we're going to take a look at today in part 2 is the actual See the Bigger Picture event. So I put a series of clips together, so we're going to go ahead and roll those right now. We have landed in New York at LaGuardia Airport, and we're getting ready to deplane. We haven't made it to the gate yet, so we're looking forward to that. Getting the show on the road today. Okay, we're at our hotel and gonna kind of chill out in the lounge area here. Our room's not ready. We got here, right around 10 o'clock Eastern time, and they had a full house last night, so we're having to wait until we get some rooms cleaned. So that's where we're at right now. Valerie's getting some coffee. There's traffic behind me. Already got to see a large part of the city. Flying into LaGuardia was interesting, and our Uber trip was interesting, and I'll get you guys updated on that here in a little bit. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to New York City. Actually, we're in Brooklyn, New York today. Valerie and I got in around 8:30 right around 8:30 this morning. We got in. Had our first experience with Uber, and I posted about that on Facebook, so you guys are welcome to check that out. It was very interesting. Let's just say it's better to close your eyes in New York City when you're not driving. That's all I'll tell you about that. Okay, we are live from the event right here. This is my lovely wife Valerie. I want to focus the camera down a little bit. One of the surprises here, you can see we have our shirts on. Valerie's wearing hers, I'm wearing mine, and I'm thinking about we might go ahead and see if we can hook you guys up with some of these and get you some prices. But we're here. This is a very impressive place where we're at. It actually it's called a greenhouse here. So everybody is looking pretty good. Got to see Billy Kyle, got to see Original Dobo, got to see Rick Smith, got to see Ed Ricker here. Half Chrome Drones is here. A lot of people are here, and this is very, very big. See behind me, that's where the stage is at. No, Valerie's fine. You can see that's where the stage is at, back there. And then we're going to go ahead, and I'm going to turn this around here. You see, there is, and I try to take that. I'm going to take a look and see. There's an evolution of DJI as far as drones are concerned. So I thought you guys might like to take a look at that. We got here on time. We're here a little bit early, so we're looking forward to it. DJI gave us some wonderful gifts. We have our VIP badges. And also, they gave us 32 gigabyte SD cards. So one for Valerie, one for me. So we're real excited about this. Valerie's excited about it. Also, too, wanted to let you guys know, and I don't have it out right now, but I actually have business cards, and I'm going to be giving them away as well, and so you guys can see that. So this is it for now. Got some good Wi-Fi in here, so I'm sure as soon as the event is over, we're going to go ahead and get some hands-on time with the product. I'm sure we're all looking forward to that. You know, thinking that this is going to be huge. This is going to be a milestone event for DJI. So we're looking from above at the event. Ed Ricker talking with Ken Dono, Original Dobo right there. And there's Rick Smith up front. 5 minutes and the show's going to start.
Good morning, and welcome to everyone in the room and to the thousands of viewers that are joining us from around the world online today. I know it's early out there for those of you who are on the West Coast, and it's a very late night for those of you joining us from across the Pacific, but we are so thankful that you're here with us today. I'm Michael Oldenburg, Product Communication Lead here at DJI, and today we're going to talk about some incredible new products. In fact, some of you may have already seen a few images of these products. You might even know some of the features and the specs, but I can tell you that they don't compare to what you're about to see today. We believe that these products are going to inspire your creativity and open a whole new world of possibilities for drone technology, because that's what DJI is all about. Since our beginning 12 years ago, our mission has been to create aerial and handheld imaging technology that allows anyone to capture amazing images that were never possible before. And we make this groundbreaking technology accessible to anyone, because it can do more than just take photos and videos. Be special. Let's take a look. This is the DJI Mavic 2 series.
Let's look at the gimbal here.
Noise in the background, everybody. That's what I'm trying to measure are all about. Trying to eliminate that. So, yeah.
Here's your first look at the DJI Mavic 2 zoom right here. Well, you got your first look. We got a chance to look at the zoom. You've heard all the details from the show. You got the prices. The Mavic 2 Pro is more expensive than the Mavic 2 Zoom, which we kind of figured. Looking around $1,200 for the Zoom and about $1,400 for the Pro. Here's a look at the Pro right here. Let's take a look at it. Live. Go ahead underneath. Take a look at the sensors under there. Take a look at it from behind here.
Yeah, triple duty. Shooting a travel video on here. So this is actually 6 days, 5 and day 6. Day 5 and 6 days.
Hey, we'll get some more shots in a little bit, but that's your first live look at the Mavic 2 series. See, it is a windy day and it's incredibly stable. Look at that. He's taking it up. See, it is fast. 44 miles per hour. You can take a look at the fantastic shots with the New York skyline in the background here. This is absolutely fantastic.
What about avoidance? And avoidance? Oh, it has.
And there goes the other one, and he's taking off there. Wow.
Well, we're like, what's the under-over when he's climbing up in the
Hey, we got some live looks here at the Mavic 2 up in the air, and incredible background, Manhattan skyline. Can't beat that. This is just absolutely fantastic. So, what are your thoughts, sweetheart? What did you think today of the presentation? You know, the price point is I think where I expected things to line up. I didn't expect the Mavic 2 Pro to be less expensive than the Zoom, and that's exactly what happened. But
go.
Well, this kind of wraps things up here today. We had an absolutely wonderful time. Got to meet Ken Dono, Original Dobo, got to meet Billy Kyle, got to see Rick Smith again, got to meet Hey Kestelou from Drone DJ, got to meet Kelly from Ready Set Drone, and it has been a fantastic day. DJI, once again, they set the gold bar, they set the standard bearer, and we're looking, at just an incredible platform, whether you get the Zoom or the Pro. They both have unbelievable features, and from what I'm hearing, shipping is going to be ultra fast on this. So when they come out, be sure to be watching BillTheDroneReviewer. We're going to get some great media out there for you guys. We're going to get an unboxing, a setup, flight videos, and I'm going to put it through its paces. We're going to get it out there and get it tested thoroughly for you guys. Thank you all for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate all you guys have done. We're continuing to grow like crazy. Please share. Please let everybody know about it. Thanks so much, and happy flying.
You're good.
Okay. So Rick, what do you think?
I think it's amazing. Absolutely amazing. I was expecting it to be very cool, but when I saw both the Zoom and the Pro, some of those features are absolutely groundbreaking. And I think what they're trying to do with this drone is build something that you forget about flying it and you can just focus on the shot, which is really what I care about. Now, what did you think?
Well, the thing that just blew me away is being able that the drone is going to process all of that and do that and be able to get these shots for us without any post.
Right.
It'll all be done. The hyperlapse is just absolutely, that just blew me away. Just watching what we're going to be able to do.
I think professional photographers are going to hate us because we're lazy. Because we can make those shots look like Hollywood shots with just that drone. Just put it up and shoot those shots.
I mean, you don't need to get, $500,000 CGI and have a helicopter and flying and all this. You can do it from a $1,200, $1,400 drone.
Totally agree. And I said a year ago, the first company that comes out with a foldable, collapsible drone with one sensors is going to own the market. That drone's the one to own.
Oh,
Zoom is a wonderful product as well, but I think that Mavic 2 Pro is outstanding.
I agree. So, one of the things I really liked was what DJI did was how they do like the new Flymore kit, as they're calling it. That is absolutely fantastic. What they're holding in there, especially that charging hub. I think that's just a fantastic idea.
Very cool idea. Yeah, really nice. I like that they separated because that way you can buy the drone, you can add the kit later on. You're not forced to buy everything at once.
Exactly.
I like that.
And the other thing that I really liked was having that new program where be able to change gimbals and be able to change your camera.
Right.
That's groundbreaking.
Because that's one thing that breaks more often than anything else when you crash.
Yeah.
Is the gimbals. Yeah, exactly.
I think that, they really hit a home run in all aspects.
I agree.
DJI Care Refresh is back.
I came here expecting a lot, and they've exceeded my expectations.
Yeah, I'm the same way.
I know I sound like a fanboy, but I don't care. It's just so cool.
The same thing here. Yeah. Rick, it's been a pleasure being able to see you again.
It
was nice to meet your son.
Yep.
And we thank you for filming the video.
Welcome to the East. Yeah, you guys
welcome.
We'll see you down there in Florida.
Sounds good.
All right, great.
Hey, drone technology fans, Bill here. Apologize for the lighting. We're in our room here at night. We're kind of getting ready to shut her down because we have to get up at 0:30 for our 7:45 flight tomorrow morning. But kind of wanted to do a quick wrap up here. I know I'm live and I'm probably going to, I'm not going to be real long here, but I just want to kind of give you guys an end of day synopsis here. It was a fantastic day, and I feel very privileged and very honored that DJI chose me to be able to go to the event. Not everybody gets this privilege and this responsibility, and I am greatly appreciative of that. A few things here. It was wonderful to meet my colleagues, Ken Dono, Original Dobo, Billy Kyle, Rick Smith, who I've already met. Had opportunity to meet Ed Ricker, which was great. I really had a good time talking with him. Hey Kestelou, and Daniel as well, who I've connected with on Twitter. who's down in the Dominican Republic. It was just wonderful. I'm going to be doing a video about that, about everybody that I talked to. I actually filmed a clip with Rick and asking him some questions and his reaction to today's events. That's one of the, I'm going to be working on that tomorrow when I get back home. I'm off tomorrow, over the weekend. Also, ordering, and I have a question for everybody, if you guys can answer this. For those of you that ordered your Mavic 2, whether it was a Pro or the Zoom today, did you have any difficulty in terms of your bank turning it down? I had the most difficult time. I got rejected. I called my bank. The bank said, no, it's fine. Got on support with DJI. They checked. They said, you need to contact online ordering support. And I was like, oh, okay. So I called the bank again, and sure enough, the bank rejected it, and they cleared it up, and it went through. So I'm just curious, if any of you had that kind of an experience, drop me a comment down in the section below. I'm kind of curious to see how that went. Going to kind of wrap things up here. We have an early flight tomorrow morning. It was fantastic, and I'm very appreciative. DJI, thank you so much for this opportunity. I greatly appreciate it. I plan on going to future events as time and money permit. It was just a fantastic experience. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening. The weekend's coming up. Look for some videos coming out this weekend. Thank you again so much, and everybody have happy flying. Valerie and I also spent some time in Brooklyn after the event, so I'm going to roll that clip right now as well too. An icon, the Brooklyn Bridge right here, folks. Pretty amazing. Incredible view of the Brooklyn Bridge. Sunset, just absolutely gorgeous. Once again, I would like to thank DJI for inviting both Valerie and I to the event. It was absolutely fantastic. It was a great experience. I look forward to going to the next one. Question of the day. What did you think of the See the Bigger Picture event? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.